Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the overall downwards pressure continues today, and that's where things got interesting. And this level will also factor into, going into the future. But it was looking like the price was really trying to stabilize out here, which would have made sense. I mean, right there at a good solid round number of $20, the price started to go sideways. So at that point, it made, of course, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but it made good logical sense to be saying, hey, you know what? Maybe, just maybe, this is some sort of bottom that's finally forming. Unfortunately, though, late afternoon, got the answer. Nope, not a bottom. Destroyed to the downside, and then that much more downwards pressure. But this does all circle back to, this being an important area, because based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of stabilization now and then movement back to the upside, $20 now becomes roadblock number one in terms of resistance levels. So keep a close eye on that as, kind of the first big test of any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside. In the event the price does bounce and then passes that first test of $20, from the overarching standpoint, the next level you'd want to watch from the resistance side of things is that purple line up there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, currently valued right up there around the $23 mark, slightly up above it. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, nothing fancy at all behind this other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today down there at 1870. So for that reason and that reason alone is going to be the first key level that you're going to want to watch. And of course, if this is some sort of bottom that's trying to form, well then by definition of being a bottom, you'd want to see the price stay up above the 1870 mark. So we'll see if that can occur or not. But the big dynamic here that really catches my interest is, like I said, if the price can bounce, can it get up above that $20 mark? A lot of people are going to be watching that area. So let's see how this one plays out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.